Yo, another day, another dollar with your homeboy Jermaine, and getting this vlog started off. I'm so excited. Look at this day. Look at this day that we have. It is gorgeous, and as you guys can tell, I'm not wearing a jacket right now because it's nice and breezy and it feels so good outside. Looks like the train is right here, so it's time to go to the city, yo. Yo, let's get this video started. Just picked up some food from Oasis. I arrived to the city a little late today, so it's already lunchtime for me. Lunch was really good, but I forgot I ordered that battery pack from yesterday. I better go pick it up really fast, and then I gotta go back to the mailbox because I'm waiting on this card to come in the mail. Crap, I got a lot of random things to do today. Alright, fresh from the Amazon locker. Okay, I'm having a quick little charge session here. Got something going on the iPad, charging up the iPhone. Now this is the old battery pack, and then this is the new one that I just picked up. Wow, this one looks so much nicer, and it's all nice and smooth, and it's ready to get used. It's also half empty. I guess they sent it to half full instead of 100% full. Maybe it has something to do with lithium batteries, but I also noticed that the boosted board was the same way. When they sent it, it was like half full. It wasn't 100. It wasn't 100%. It wasn't zero. It was like around 50%. I think I'm gonna get out of here. I still got more errands. Let's go over to the post office real quick. These scooters are popping up everywhere. Down at the post office. Wow, look at this traffic. Yo, what up vlog? I'm just doing a little live stream, and I thought I would put a snippet in my vlog. So if you're watching this vlog right now and you haven't seen the live stream, I'll put a link up above right here. Oh, I forgot. I gotta go and pick up this thing from what is it? I gotta go back to the Amazon locker. Let's cruise over to the Amazon locker again. Okay, picked up an extra GoPro replacement lens. A couple days ago I scratched my GoPro lens really bad, but it's not showing up on the videos. But I just bought an extra one because I'm gonna be doing some backpacking and I want to make sure I have one just in case I accidentally drop my... No! Did I just drop that one? This is the brand new one. I just dropped it on the ground. Is it broken? No, we're good. It's not broken. So I can toss this because I don't need this box. Only thing I need is this little thing. Just need not to break it. Yes. Time to hop on this Richmond train, yo. There it is, right there. Let's go skip somebody in line. At least this train looks empty. That's a good sign. Back at the Airbnb now. You know, charging up the boosted, and this Airbnb is pretty cool. I haven't had anyone to stay with me in this room, so it's been pretty nice. Half price, private room. I just got a little charge fest going on over here. Charging up the new external battery pack. I did put a boosted sticker on this one, just like the sticker on my other boosted, or the other power bank. I had a boosted sticker on it, but I put a boosted sticker on this one too. And I'm just charging up everything. Remember earlier tonight in the live stream my remote died, so let's charge up this, and then let's make sure we get some juice on the iPad and charge up my Apple Watch, and then my other vlogging camera that I never use as a vlogging camera anymore. For some reason it's not charging. Is it not even charged? There we go. Now it's charging. We all good. Is this charging? This should be charging. Yeah. Okay. We good. We good. We are good to go. Look at that bag. Huh. Is that all I have? Huh. No, that can't be right. That can't be right. But anyway, I think I'm gonna get ready to call it a night. It's definitely been a fun day. It's been a fun day. Oh man, the weather was so nice. Today was a stunting day in the city. I'm gonna get ready to crash right here in number two. Number two. So thanks a lot for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace out, yo.